Good morning, everyone. Class 10. In last class, we had seen the chapter problems based on quadratic equation. So, in last class, we had seen the three different types. In type 1, we had seen the problems based on numbers. In type 2, we had seen problem based on time and work. In type 3, problems based on geometrical figures. Now today we will see the problems that is type 4, problems based on speed, distance and time. Distance is equals to speed into time, and speed is equals to distance by time, and time is equal to distance by speed. Now see, let us see a problem. If the speed of if the speed of an aeroplane is reduced by 40 km per hour, it takes 20 minutes more to cover 1200 km. Find the speed of the aeroplane. The required term is here, find the speed of the aeroplane. So we have to suppose, let the speed of the aeroplane be x km per hour, and distance traveled by aeroplane, that is 1200 km. And now we have to calculate the time for this. Time is equal to, that is written here, distance by speed. Distance traveled 1200 km and speed is x, that much hours. Now see, according to question, the speed of an airplane is reduced by 40 km per hour. Earlier, the speed of aeroplane, it was x kilometer. Now the speed of aeroplane is reduced by 40 km per hour, so x minus 40. Suppose that in case of, if the speed of aeroplane is increased by 40 km per hour, we have to put here the plus sign. If it is reduced or decreased, we have to put here the minus sign. Then the speed of an aeroplane will be x minus 40 km per hour, and the distance traveled 1200 km. And for the time, the same formula we are using, distance by speed. Distance traveled 1200 km and the speed x minus 40 hours. But if the speed is decreasing, the time taken is more. That is clearly mentioned here. It takes 20 minutes more to cover same distance. So you can suppose that this time, it means t2, that is more than from the t1. And by how much? By 20 minutes. Now see, t2 is greater than t1 by 20 minutes. So the difference of these two time will be 20 minutes. t2 minus t1 is equals to 20 minutes. So we will put the value of t2 instead of t2, 1200 by x minus 40, and instead of t1 we have to put 1200 by x. Now see, it is t1, it is t2 and it is t1, and that is 20 minutes, and 20 divided by 60, 21s are 20 and 23s are 60. And now 1200 taken as a common, 1 by x minus 40 minus 1 by x, and this 1200 taking this side, 1 by 3 into 1200. Now taking the LCM, product of the denominator, and the LCM term divided by x minus 40, this will be cancelled, x is left, x into 1, that is x, minus sign, the LCM term divided by x cancel, x minus 40 ones are x minus 40. Now open the bracket, minus plus minus, minus minus plus, this x will be cancelled, 40 and x into x square, and x into 40, 40x. Now cross multiply them, this term multiplied by 1 will get same, and 3600 into 40, 144,000. Now transposing this this side negative terms. Now factorization by splitting the middle term. Here we can apply the formula also. If we are applying the formula, we can suppose here a is equal to 1, b is equals to minus 40, and c is equals to minus 144,000. But right now we are not using the formula method, we are using the factorization by splitting the middle term. For 40 we are writing 400 minus 360. So now see, now open the bracket. So x into 400 minus 400x, this minus minus plus, x into 360, that is 360x, and this value is same. X is the common in first two term, x minus 400, and 360 is the common in the last two term, x minus 400. So x minus 400 again common, x plus 360, that is equals to 0. First factor equates with 0 and second factor also equate with 0. So the value of x is 400 and in second x is equals to minus 360. That is not possible because the speed of aeroplane cannot be negative. So hence we can say that the speed of an aeroplane will be 400 km per hour. Now see the another type, type 5. Now you can see on the screen that type 5, that is based on age relation. In most of the question in age relation, generally we are solving the question by supposing their present age. Now see, the sum of the ages of a father and his son is 45 years. 5 years ago, the product of their age in years was 124. Determine their present age. Now see, let us suppose, let the present age of father is x years, and according to question, now see, the sum of age of father and son is 45 years, and if the present age of father is x, then the present age of his son will be 45 minus x, because their sum is 45. And if you are supposing the age of present age of son is x years, then the present age of father will be 45 minus x. Okay, now see, after that, 5 years ago, 5 years ago father's age. In case of ago, in the present age we are subtracting, so x minus 5 years, and the son age is 45 minus x, we are subtracting here minus 5 also. So 45 minus 5, 40 minus x. In case of ago, we are subtracting from the present age, right? And in case of after, later, we are putting the plus sign. In case of ago and before, minus sign we are putting. Now after that, the product of their age, 5 years ago, the product of their age, these are the ages of father and son 5 years ago, and their product, putting the multiplication sign, is 124. Now open the bracket. X into 40, 40x, x into minus x, minus x square, minus 5 into 40, 200, and minus minus plus 5 into x, 500, 5x, right hand part same, minus x square, 40x plus 5x, 45x, minus 200, minus 24, minus x square this side, plus x square, plus 45x this side, minus 45x, minus 200, plus 200, plus 124, x square same, minus 45x same, 200 plus 124, 324. Now again we are using factorization by splitting the middle term. Instead of 45 we are writing 36 plus 9. On adding this we are getting 45. On product, 36 into 9 will get 324, ones are 324. Now open the bracket. X into 36, 36x, x into 9, 9x, and the minus plus minus, minus plus minus. X is the common in the first two term, x is the common, x minus 36. In the last two term, minus 9 is the common, x and minus 36 is equal to 0. So x minus 36 again common, and x minus 9 will be left. X minus 9 will be left. Now equate first factor with the 0 and second factor with the 0. So the first value of x will be 36 and second value of x is equal to 9. So we have supposed the present age of father is x, therefore 36 years. 9 cannot be possible, because if you are supposing the present age of father is 9 years, then the present age of son will be 36. That is not possible. So you can suppose that the present age of father is 36 years and the present age of son 45 minus x, that means 45 minus 36, this 36, that is 9 years. Hence this is the answer. Thank you very much.